Now, I'm not an administrator of GitLab or the owner of the coding agent. Now I'm a normal developer. You can see I just switch my uh, browser to Edge. Now we are going to a normal business applications group. Okay. Now I want to all the repos in this group can use the coding agent that the administrator just configured. Okay. Now first we need to assign the coding agent as a member of this group. Okay, members, event members, the Copilot agent, and set it as a developer. That's enough. Event. Okay, cool. Then we create a new repo. Create a project, blank project like app repo, something like that, just for a demo. Set it to public, anything you like. Initial with a readme, that's okay. Create project. And then we can configure the webhook. And the secret token is my token. You remember that? This token is offered by the administrator who configured the Copilot coding agent. Okay, go to here and set the webhooks here. And a new webhook, the URL is here. Secret is my token, my token. And the Copilot agent trigger is okay. The trigger comments and issue events, because it's not a HTTPS, it's HTTP, so we should not check this at webhook. Okay, now let's create our first issue. Now this repo only have one branch and it's almost empty, right? We create a new issue like HTTP server. We want it's written by Python and should have a .GitLab CI file for CI/CD and a README. Okay, create it. Okay, we go to the issue. Now we will assign this issue to the Copilot. Should doc ps doc logs GitLab coding agent. Okay, now we assign it to the Copilot. You can see log. Oh, we got some error here. Okay, that's because we must miss something. Let's go back to the document. Oh, we've got to change the rules that can use pipeline variables to developer. So we go back to the coding agent and the variables here, set it to developers, save the change. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's reassign the Copilot again. Clear it first, and then assign it to Copilot. Perfect, it works. Okay, now we can check the coding agent repo. For a normal user, he just wait a moment. Something will update here by the coding agent. But now for the demo, we just go to the backend. We go to this repo we just created and go to the pipeline. We can see a new pipeline is triggered. Just wait a moment. Okay, issue acknowledged. Okay, we can go back it here. You can see the Copilot updated the issue. And also we can just visit the Copilot session here. It's the same. Yeah. That's why uh, we can access to this pipeline because this pipeline is public. That's why I strongly suggest that you can set the code engine repo to internal. That means every people can just click this session hyperlink and see what's the current situation. You can now see it just plan, finish the plan, and create a merge request now. We can check the log here. Okay, you can see it make a comprehensive plan here. Just wait a moment for the merge request creating job. Okay, merge request created. We go back to our issue. We can see a new merge request is created, and this is the link. We just click it to the merge request. Now we can see the to-do task. And the coding agent session is implement these tasks. We can check the log. We need to wait a little bit a moment. Yeah, we can just wait. And also in the merge request, we can see the original issue and the coding agent session too. This session is same as it show in the issue here, right? Okay, we just wait a moment, wait for the implement tasks. Because this environment, every time you just need to pull the Copilot CLI, so it will spend a little bit of time. But in your environment, if the image is already there in your node, it would be very quick. Okay, now it's doing the job. We give it a few minutes. We just wait it here. You can leave and have a cup of coffee. Let's do it. You can see this merge request is created by the Copilot, right? Very cool. And the issue, then the new branch is automatically generated by the Copilot tool. You can see the issue slash and the issue ID, and this is generated by the Copilot tool. We can go to the repo to check the branch. You can see a new branch is created, but it's empty now. The coding agent is working on it. Okay, go back. Wait a moment. Oh, it's almost finished. It's generated a commit message now. Okay, now it's good to commit and push. Okay, finished. Finished. We go to the pipeline. We can see. Okay, and the last job is to finalize, to do some update in the merger request. We can go to the merger request here, refresh it. You can see a new commit is committed. Yeah, and we can check the commit. We can see it here. Changes. Okay, this is the file changes and created by the Copilot. And it also trigger a pipeline because we asked the Copilot to generate a .GitLab CI YAML. So now here is also a pipeline. It's a application pipeline. See, it's running. Yeah, for the Python HTTP server. Okay, let's wait a moment to wait it's finalize the job. Okay, it's finished. And we refresh the merge request. We can see all the to-do task is marked as done, and it will mark all the completed, and it will automatically assign the people who assign Copilot as a assignee to the issue to review this merge request. This is pretty cool, right? Okay, that's it. And we can check it's very good. And we can also add Copilot to do some update in the merge request. Like this README file is in English. If we want to change it to Chinese, we can just add Copilot here, add the Copilot agent here, update the README file to Chinese. Okay, comment. And it will trigger another pipeline in the coding agent. We can go back to the coding agent, pipelines. You can see this is a merge request update pipeline. Let's wait a moment. Now it's started the task. Let's wait a moment too. And we can also see the session link in the original merge request. You can see here. Copilot just got it and gave the session link here. Let's continue wait for it. Very good, it finished, and we go back to the merge request. We can see it's marked as completed, and it also generates a new commit. We can click it here. We can check. It changes README from English to Chinese. Yeah, and we got two commits. The first one is just assign Copilot to the issue, and the second one is update the README. And it also triggers the pipeline itself in this repo. Yeah, you can see everything's okay. Pretty cool. That's it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the repo. Enjoy the coding, GitLab coding agent repo. Yeah. And also, if you are curious about the GitLab code review driven by the Copilot, you can refer to this repo. Yeah, I didn't show it here. You can just follow the README to configure it. Thank you so much.